I'm discuss topic called LinkedIn article submission. I'm discuss topic called LinkedIn article submission. Article submission nothing but if you promote any kind of interview questions, your services by through article promotion. Now here I'm clicking for write an article. Here, this is the article type. The article you can share on your Twitter, Facebook page, anywhere you can share. You can share it by your social media, marketing, SEO off page also. Now, first of all, add your image. Check the image here. Adding my image. Image will be large thumbnail and resize will be there. So, image will be adding here. Now, wait for a second here. After that, see this one. Now here. Done. Resize is a large one. So always click for resize. After that, write your title, headline, website, design and development, company in Hyderabad. Now click this option here. Now after that, write your content here. Select it. So we discuss one topic, what is called anchor text. Anchor is nothing but hyperlink. Now just come to here, scroll down. Here display one link here. Yes or no? This is my link. So clear? Now just I'm going to my website. Click here. If anybody click my content, they go into my website. This I'm using for anchor text. So here, go to services. There's this option here. Click here. Now, I'm updating for this option here. Now, decrease of space. Hyperlink. Done. Now, copy the complete content here. Running with what? Hyperlink. Paste it. Click for apply. Why applying for anchor text? If anybody click on my content, they go into my website. This is for backlink for your website. Using with the LinkedIn article. How many anchor text will be using? That's all called backlinks. Please note down. N number of anchor text is equal to your website backlinks. N number of backlinks of anchor text. N number of anchor text. Nothing but write down below bracket. N number of hyperlinks. That is called website backlinks. Now here, adding the backlink here. So first copy your keyword, click for publish. Before to publish, you can see the option. Start a new article, draft, articles, share draft, help center. I'm going to now click for publish. When I publish in time, they ask your keywords. Keywords for your title. I'm clicking for publish option here. Select your complete title. Click for publish. Click for publish here. So clear? When adding the article and the title, when you publish time, the title will be same. We can use them by your tags. Now here, where I'm sharing for Facebook and Twitter. Here one option is there. Once share your Twitter, automatic page by where? Facebook page. We already migrated the Twitter to Facebook. Now click for share here. Where? Twitter wall. They display Facebook page or not. We'll check here. Now we'll share with where? Twitter wall. Now this option will be optimized here. Now here, see this one. Hashtag development company Hyderabad. Now hyphen click for tweet. Then my post in Twitter. Now check where? My Facebook page. I done my Twitter wall. They are waiting for where? Our Facebook page also. So this is called migration will be working for Twitter to Facebook also. So the migration will for your LinkedIn sharing in the Twitter automatically shared by where? Facebook also. That is called LinkedIn to auto distribute by Twitter and Facebook page. Now we are just scrolling on my page here. I'm sharing where? Twitter. Now just scroll back. Done. I'm posting where? Article to Twitter. So automatically shared by where? Facebook page also. When? Just now. Who will be posted by? Twitter. It's clear? This is called our promote your articles. We can writing article by LinkedIn. LinkedIn to share by your Facebook page, groups and profile, and we can share it with the Twitter. Twitter automatically shared by your Facebook profile and page. This is called promote your article will be different social media. If you know the link from your LinkedIn, just click. This is for article link here. This is for your article link. Your URL extensions are must and should important. That is called website design development company Hyderabad. Clear? This is important on your URL extension. Your URL extension will be defined on your organic search. This will be showing on your Google search also of article. That is based on the hints, based on the sharing on your social media. Is it clear? This is for your writing article. Promote the Facebook page, groups, and promote by Twitter wall also.